When you text or call someone on your iPhone 17, you can choose what they see: your name, a photo, a memoji, or even a custom poster. Name and photo sharing lets you create a personal profile that automatically appears in messages and helps your conversations feel more expressive and recognizable. Here's how to set up name and photo sharing on the iPhone 17 series. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Find Messages in the list and tap it. In the Messages settings menu, tap Share Name and Photo. This is where you can customize how your profile appears to others. If you want to use an avatar, select the Avatar tab. Tap Customize under your profile image. Choose one of the suggested avatars, then tap Choose to apply it. If you prefer using a photo, tap the photo icon under Photos. You can select Camera to take a new picture or Photo Library to pick one from your saved photos. To use a memoji, select one from the presets or tap the first icon to create your own personalized memoji. You can use the editor to adjust facial features and details until it matches your style. When you're done, tap Next, then tap Choose to set it as your profile. You can also choose a monogram or an emoji as your avatar by selecting one from the suggestions, customizing it, and tapping Choose. If you'd rather use a poster, tap the Poster tab and choose Customize. Edit your name, choose a background style or color, and tap Done. You can also apply a photo, memoji, or monogram to your poster using the same customization steps. When you're done customizing your avatar and poster, scroll down to the bottom section, then turn on the switch for name and photo sharing. If necessary, edit your first and last name. To control who sees your profile, tap Share Automatically and choose Contacts Only if you want it to be shared with people saved in your contacts, or select Always Ask so you're prompted before sharing. When everything is finished, tap the check mark in the top right corner and confirm your avatar or poster if prompted. Your new profile will now appear when you message or call supported contacts. You can revisit this menu anytime if you want to update your name, change your avatar, or switch to a different style. And that's it. If this helped you personalize your Messages profile on your iPhone 17, give it a like, and check out our other tutorials to discover more features you can customize. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.